Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how to make money using your smartphone. You can actually make so much money with your phone. I know you're used to these unrealistic ways, but in this video, I'm gonna be giving you the simplest ways to make money with your phone. Are you guys ready? Let's get into the video. First of all, in case you're new to this channel, just make sure you subscribe because the next content that you're going to be seeing here is going to be lit. Yo, so make sure you subscribe and give this video a like. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Now, the first and simplest way to make money with your phone is through dropshipping. Dropshipping is quite easy. This is whereby you just go and enroll or register an account with a website. Now, what happens, because that, let's say it is a selling website and you don't have the products. Let's say I want to sell a television. I go and I have an account, a shop for electronics. I just post the photo of that television because I don't have the capital to buy that television. Now, when someone orders that television and they pay me money, it's when now I go and pay the supplier. Let's say I have advertised a 43-inch television at 50,000. So once someone pays me that 50,000, now is when I go to the shop, I give the shopkeeper, maybe he's selling it at 43,000. So I just give the shopkeeper my 43,000 and I ship that item at 50,000. I hope you guys get it. Like, it is selling items when you don't have the item literally. So you just post the picture of the item. Once you get paid, now is when you buy the item and you pay the supplier that item and they can now ship the item to that person directly. Your work is to pick the profit. I hope you guys have understood that. Well, I'm going to do a full video on how to be a good drop shipper. I hope you guys are ready for that because I feel this is something we need to exploit. Of course, not all websites will allow you to drop ship because definitely most of the online websites for shop, they will require you to have the item physically. So that's a research also that you need to do, and it's quite good because you don't need capital to start. All you need to do is just post photos of the items you're selling without even having to have that physical item with you. Another way to make money with your phone is through affiliate marketing. I know you guys know what affiliate marketing is. Using those websites that are available to make money. You find most of the websites and applications pay you to advertise for them. So if you try an app, you forward it to a friend and they try that app, that is affiliate marketing. You get money once that friend tries that app. Also, we have these products that are online. If you buy a product and it's good for you, you advertise or you refer a friend, you make money. Those referral agencies, that's what we call affiliate marketing, and you could actually make so much money at the comfort of your home because you don't even need to go anywhere. You just make money from home. And the good thing is you make money anywhere, even when you're at an event at home and you remember, oh, let me just post this link. You just post on your WhatsApp or on Facebook. You can work anywhere and anytime, even at the middle of the night. You are not restricted. You can make your money with any website that you need, that you think is available. Another way to make money is through blogging. Now, with the use of AI, you can actually blog about so many things. If you're that lazy person, you can just use AI, artificial intelligence. It's going to write a blog for you. All you need to do is to change a little things, a few words, and post, and people are going to watch, to read that, and you can make money. Like, these days you need to make use of AI. If you want me guys to do an entire video on this, I can do how to use AI to maximize your online potential. I always advise people to take advantage before things elapse. Like, always take advantage of things as they are beginning, because you don't know the next few years. So right now, artificial intelligence is really helping people be among the first people to benefit. Another way to make money with your phone is through vlogging. Vlogging is making videos and posting, and you get paid. I know we have websites like TikTok and YouTube, but I would recommend YouTube, because I'm not sure if TikTok can pay you as much as YouTube can. You know, the good thing with YouTube, even if you vlog facelessly, like, you don't even need to show your face, people are still going to like your videos. Even if you decide, okay, I want to be doing cooking videos, whenever you're cooking your lunch, you shoot that video. When you're cooking your supper, you shoot it. When you're cooking your breakfast, you record. You don't have to show your face. You can do a faceless channel on YouTube and still make money. One thing with YouTube is that it takes time, but as long as you're patient enough, within 1-2 years you can easily monetize your channel, as long as you're also consistent, because you don't want to post for 1 month, get lost for another month, come back. No, YouTube loves consistency. So if you decide to start, post a video each and every week, at least one video, unless already you have followers. But when you're starting, you have to do that if at all you want to grow your subscribers. Next way to make money is through Amazon publishing. I did an entire video on how to publish ebooks on Amazon. It's so easy. You just need to create an ebook, and I did a video on how to do this, and you can create using your phone, and then you post it on Amazon. The good thing is that once you post an ebook, you will make money with it until forever. If you're good at writing, this is a very good thing for you. And the good thing with writing an ebook, you can type it wherever you are. You don't need to, to sit down. Like, even if you are at an event and you get bored, you can be writing your book, or you keep writing that book. Once you're done, you just publish it on Amazon, and people are going to be paying a little money to read your book. And there are so many readers, addicts, like, people are really addicted to reading, and they want books each and every time. And you know, the society right now we are living in, people don't want to become writers, and people are, because people just are obsessed with watching television, so we don't have many writers. If at all you can become a writer, then I feel like you can make money right now, because most people are creating content and they are not having time to create or write books. Another way to make money using your phone is through online surveys. You guys know what online surveys are. So a survey is questions that are sent to your phone, and you give your opinion about it. You may be given, for example, a product. Let's say I'm given Omo, Aerial, and Sunlight. I'm asked to compare the three of them. Which one do I find cheaper? Which one do I feel value for my money? Which one do I feel cleans my clothes better? Which one do I feel, you're just asked those questions, and you just randomly answer them. You might find you're asked around 20 questions, and you're getting paid for that. The only thing with online surveys is that it doesn't pay much money, and so you cannot rely on it as a full-time source of income, because it gives you quite little money. Yeah, that's what I would say. And yeah, I feel like those are a few ways you can make money using your smartphone, and I hope you guys have picked at least one or two. I also hope you guys have liked this video, because why not? Why not like this video? I feel it was informative. Tell me in the comment section what you guys think, and what should I improve? What should I give you tips on? I'm definitely going to come and do that for you guys. That's it for today, and I'm hoping to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye guys.